So this is our Mercury switch. So basically it has two wires, and when the Mercury ball moves, it complete the connection between the wires. So like it is kind of a vibration switch kind of thing. So I have like actually turned this Mercury switch horizontally, and the wires were actually touching initially. So like I have separated it. So like keep in mind that these two wires should not touch each other. So like when the mercury moves down, like it completes the circuit, and when the mercury is at the low end, the top of the switch, like you can see the circuit is not completed. So like I have created a simple project, like if somebody touches my phone, like it would trigger a interrupt and like create a siren. So let's just see the demo. So here I have kept my phone on top of the mercury switch. Now if someone tries to remove it, for example my wife, so in that case it would trigger a event, and like it would start a siren sound and will display like don't touch my phone. So it has triggered that event, and it would display like don't touch the phone. So this is our code. Like I've set the pin 16 as input pull up, and then I wait for 1 second for another Bluetooth command, and then I'm like setting a interrupt, like trigger event one when the pin 16 state is falling. So when it goes from high to low, it will trigger this event. So when it receives the event, it will start the police siren sound and then display don't touch my phone for 5 seconds. So let's just see the demo. Like I just tilt that switch to demonstrate it again.